everyone, welcome to my channel, just for fun. And we do a lot of things for fun. That's the whole idea. That means we can do anything, everything. Basically, it's my hobbies. Whatever I take interest in, I try to just enjoy those things. So some time ago now, I went to Turkey or something, and I saw these things, and I bought one. Well, I bought two. Basically bird whistle, put water in it, and that's how it works. So when I came back, I made this thing here, which is on one of my YouTube videos. I'll probably leave a link below. So that works all right. Because I've got a 3D printer now, oh wow, I got to print one and see if that's okay. Works great. And I shall put a link below any printing I do, or where I got it from, and the people who actually got the project there. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoy. Take care. So here we go, guys. I did put a white PLA on, and I had a bit of problem trying to take the black one off. I had to watch a couple of videos to try and figure out how, but even then I'm not sure what I did. I'll learn as you go along. I'll come back after so many percentage so that you can see it being built. So this is like 6%, and it's laying down a foundation right there. Looking good though. This is 33%. You can see that the tail is fraying a little bit there. I'm not sure, it's not sticking, that's why. Oh my gosh. Well, it won't stick because it's off the floor there. Maybe I should have printed the bird sitting up. Might do that next time. So this is 50%, guys, and even though it's got the fray there, I think it's gonna be okay, you know. We'll see. %70 printed. So the tail's working out okay, actually. %91, guys, and it's closing it off now. Different angle. %97%, it's almost done. So there you go, guys. 100% done. See if I can take this off. Oops, come out quickly. So the holes there. Not too bad. Very good, actually. Oops. Very smooth. Nicely done. Time to test it out. So I made another one, guys, a black PLA, and doesn't look too bad actually. Looks quite beautiful. That's it. The only problem with these is the bottom here, the tail. But you just smooth it out, and it should be alright. Alright, guys, so this is it. It's complete. I just put some water in there. It does work. It did work. There you go. It finally got it working. I don't know how much water is supposed to put in. So, like, subscribe, and thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I love it.